So I'm going to tell you how I trade my stocks in the short term periods. I'm not going to talk about my long term in this video. So I'm self-employed right now, and that's scary. You know, it is what it is. Here's what I do. My basic short-term methodology is this. I have a few stocks that I watch. Well, more than a few. Quite a few stocks that I am very familiar with, and I am familiar with their valuation. So I have basically price targets on these stocks. When I see them dip to a certain price level, I buy them, and I shoot for a short-term gain of 2%, and I invest $10,000 at a time. The reasoning behind this is simple. If I can gain 2% within a 1-week period, that $10,000 becomes $10,200 at the end of the week. At the end of the year, that becomes $28,000 with interest compounding, so that's why I do that. Now, I'm much more interested in long-term investing with the majority of my portfolio, and the reason I do long-term investing is because I do not like giving my money to the government. With that said, let's go on. I'm going to give you 2 examples of trades I made last month. So last month, there was some speculation on General Mills, so I bought it and it went up. I made $231.75. I invested a little bit under $10,000. Now, what triggered me to sell the stock at this point was I saw a Head & Shoulders pattern breakout, and so I knew that the short-term ride up was ending, and I sold it right on the right shoulder, and of course the stock dipped down. And I took that money and I invested it in somewhere else. I could have bought the stock back at a lower price and ridden it up again, but I didn't know if it was for sure going to go up again. You can't worry about it. You take that small profit, you reinvest the money somewhere else, and you keep growing your money. And that's the way it goes. Coca-Cola. I bought Coca-Cola the day before the ex-dividend date, so I captured the dividend. I bought 200 shares. Now, the stock Coca-Cola pays 33 cents per share for the dividend, so I captured $66 from that, and then I sold the stock at $40.91, and I got a profit off of that of $98.12. So $98.12 plus $66, $164.12, and that is not bad for a short-term trade. So I take that money and I reinvest it. And so what I do is I keep doing this. I keep getting small amounts of money, and it really grows. I also live off of this money. I am self-employed, and it's totally terrifying. I also use this money for my car stuff, and cars are what I am really passionate about. I trade stocks just to get by, but cars are what I am really passionate about. The M3 I just purchased, the independent project that I'm pursuing with that, I want to develop a fix for the throttle actuator problem, and my goal is to save people money. Thanks for watching. Enjoy your car, do your thing.